and welcome to another exciting episode of NYSC Half Hour. I am Israela Njasi. In today's episode, we will be sharing with you the operations of the scheme towards the growth of its core members and the nation at large. We will also share with you the selfless service of core members aimed at bettering the lives of their host community. Trust me, this episode will leave you in awe. But before then, let's go on a quick break. Today on NYSC Tidbits, Inspector General of Police promises robust synergy with NYSC. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps renews commitment to partnership with NYSC. The Inspector General of Police, Dr. Kayode Adeolu-Ebetokun, said that he expects a stronger synergy between the Nigerian Police Force and the National Youth Service Corps, especially in securing lives and property of corps members. He made the statement when he received the Director General of NYSC, Brigadier General Olakunle Nafiu, on a courtesy visit in Abuja. Ebetokun, who described the NYSC helmsman as a professional and thoroughbred army officer, also disclosed that the Nigerian Police Force had partnered with the scheme for ages and that there was a dire need for the collaboration between the two agencies to get better, taking into cognizance the need to give more protection to corps members in the face of prevailing security challenges bedeviling the nation currently. He further commended the NYSC National Cultural Troupe for a scintillating performance during the National Police Day celebration, which was held in Abuja recently. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) has reassured of its commitment to the age-long partnership with National Youth Service Corps as one of the scheme's collaborating agencies charged with ensuring the safety of lives and property of corps members across the country. This assurance was given by the Commandant General of NSCDC, Dr. Abubakar Ahmed Aldi, while playing host to the NYSC Director General, Brigadier General Olakunle Nafiu, when he received the NYSC Chief Executive in his office. Dr. Aldi stated that the NSCDC was duty-bound to provide maximum security for NYSC's assets nationwide. He acknowledged with approval the positively impactful role of the youth-centered organization in uniting the nation, nurturing graduate youths, and fostering integrated development of the nation's economy. Thank you for still staying tuned. Here is a quick reminder that you can always catch us on NYSC TV, on free-to-air satellite, and on NYSC Radio 88.3 FM. I know you're already looking forward to seeing what we have for you on today's episode. Yes, let's go straight to that. To begin, we will be introducing you to one of the valuable and significant departments of the NYSC scheme. This department is called the NYSC Ventures Management, and since its inception in 2012, the Ventures Management Department has taken the front seat in equipping and empowering corps members with skills for self-reliance. There are lots more to this department. See for yourself. The NYSC Ventures Management Department is one of the 4 departments created as a result of the expanded administrative structure of the scheme and began its activities in 2012 after approval by the federal government. Since inception, the NYSC Ventures Management Department has remained committed to its mandate, which includes contributions to the growth of the national economy, meeting the NYSC requirements for corps members' kit items and feeding during orientation programs, generating revenue for the scheme, and, amongst others, to achieve the objectives of the scheme in the area of training and empowerment of youths for self-reliance.
In 2012, when there was administrative expansion, a specific department was created for the ventures known as NYSC Ventures Management Department. This is because of the renewed focus of the scheme on empowering core members, supplying some of the essential orientation needs, as well as generating some revenue for the government. And we have in place bakery and water factories. We have farms in some states of the Federation. We also have garment factories where some of the kit items needed by the core members are produced on an annual basis. The ventures have been of benefit not only to the scheme, and some of the tailors in the host communities too are engaged during peak production time for the production of khaki suits and other kits of core members.
The Ventures Management Department so far has had various ventures like the Garment Factory, located in Niger and Anambra states, the Gari Factory at Kwara and Benue states, the Feed Mill at Lagos State, the Rice Mill at Ebonyi State, its printing press, mechanical workshop, and fuel dumps located in Abuja, including the Water Factory, the bakery, and other ventures. This shows the tremendous progress made by the NYSC Ventures Management Department since its inception and how it has continued to drive transformation in its diverse activities.
We specifically located some of them in the camp because they also serve as training ground for core members during orientation, during the Said activities on camp, and also for the post-camp training. And the bread is supplied to contiguous states to FCT as well as Nasarawa state. And this has been positively received and appreciated by core members. We also sell to members of the public, and the reception has been very tremendous. And many a times when we also have visitors, especially the bread and water, we also give them, we buy and give them as gift. And many of them, especially those in Abuja, will say, where is your factory located? And let me also tell you that they've sort of become addicted because they will drive all the road to Kubwa and charter bread and water for their families, especially those people living around Kubwa. It may also interest you to know that the NYSC water is the official water for all our orientation camp official activities. And we supply to the 36 states as well as the FCT. And some people that one way or the other attend camp activity and are given NYSC water. We have had calls from Yola, Taraba, Delta. Some people even saying that they want to be a distributor. They love the water. That shows the level of acceptance. And then we take special care, knowing that the NYSC brand is an invaluable brand, to ensure that we produce quality product to serve members of the public. And we are happy that they are also appreciating it.
Hello viewers and listeners, my name is Odeji Mosimiloluwa Titilola with code NS22B2498, and I'm reporting live here at the NYSC Bakery Unit under the supervision of NYSC Ventures, Kefi, Nasarawa State. You are welcome. May we proceed into the bakery unit, please? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Simi. As you can see, this is a mixing machine. It is used in mixing flour and other bakery ingredients. With the help of the mixing machine, you can mix 50 kg of flour and bakery ingredients effectively and efficiently. When the dough is ready, you move it from the mixing machine and place it on the cutting table.
With dedication and selflessness, Nigeria's us, Nigeria we serve. Use obey the Karu.
This is a cutting session. As you can see, this is a cutting table, and this is a measuring scale. Here, we cut the dough into a desired scale, which we want. We keep on scaling and scaling and scaling until we get that particular quantity, where I drop it here for Prince Will to pick it up and take it to the molding machine.
This is a molding machine. The function of the molding machine helps to mold the dough. When molding the dough, it's stressed down to the folder.
At this point, this is where we will lubricate the dough in order not to stick to the pan. So from here, it goes straight to the oven. Since I engage myself in this kind of thing, it has been a great honor to my lifestyle. And me going out there, I can use it to start up something. That is why we're engaged in this. Nigeria is pushing somewhere.
My name is Johnson George from Rivers State. Studied electrical engineering from Rivers State University, Science and Technology. Here as a core member serving in Kefi, Nasarawa State, in NYSC bottled water factory. Now, as you can see, this is NYSC bottled water as it's written already. I will take you through the process produced here in Nasarawa State by NYSC section. Enjoy it. Let's see the section. Now, remember, this is a bottle that was brought out from the blower. It is carried to the conveyor. This machine is the bottled water producing machine, but it has sections as I take you through the section. This is the conveyor section that conveys this bottle, as you can see it directly. It takes it to, there is a section here. As you can see, we have to rinse the bottle. Now, this bottle is rinsed already. Now, this section rinses the bottle. After rinsing, now there's a section here that fills water inside the bottle. After the bottle has been filled with water, another section seals the cap with it. And this section that is over will now take it to another section. This is a conveyor machine. As you can see, this is where we had the label on the bottled water. Now, this section takes us to what this is called the seal machine, which is like a steamer, which enables the label to stick properly on the cans. Now, while it comes out, as you can see, it is produced already. So this machine generally produces the water. The water is produced, put in the can, seal it, and put the label on it. Now, I will take you to another section. This section will take us to where we package the bottled water in the pack. And a pack of the bottled water contains about 12 bottles.
Hello viewers, my name is Alao Rachel from Kogi State. I studied mass communication from Kogi State University, and I am a serving core member in NYSC Garment Factory, Mina, Niger State. I would like you to work with me as we view what we do here in the factory.
We have the crested vest here. We have the P-shirt, then we have the plain vest. This is the suit machine. We use this one to sew our khaki Like this one, this is a sample of one of our work that we are doing here. This is our packaging table. This is a sample of our pea shirts that we sew here. This is Credit First. They already produced one. This is a good example of what we're producing here.
You're welcome to this section of the factory. Here is a table where we draw our pattern. This is the front part of the shirt for the kit, and this is the collar and the collar stand. Here we have the belt for the trouser, then we have the rank for the shirt. Also we have the sleeve, you can see the drawing, and then we have this is the back trouser, and this is the front. This is the back of the shirt. And we have the combatant pocket, we have the side pocket. And all of these are drawn on this table and then taken to the cutting table, then where we can cut in a very large quantity. I think we have about 126 layers of clothes on the table to have a very good cut. I also want to appreciate NYSC for creating this platform for us as core members to be able to learn and to have a view of what we can make of our life. And I want to assure NYSC that I standing here, I am going to be a captain of a garment factory when I am done with my service. Thank you very much.
Nigeria's us, Nigeria we serve.
Wow. You can agree with me that the NYSC Ventures Management Department is doing a great job. The Ventures Management Department and other departments together make the NYSC an outstanding scheme. Moving on, we have the Charity and Gender CDS group in Nasarawa State, who has, in line with their motto, helped the needy. This CDS group dug a well, giving water to the Ashakuchi community, something the people have long needed. This act of selfless service has instantly relieved the people of Ashakuchi community from the burden of going long distance in search of water. It has definitely put a smile on their faces. Come with us.
Hello viewers at home, my name is Angel Akwara. I'm from Abia State. I'm a core member serving in Nasarawa State. I'm a member of Charity and Gender CDS group. I know you guys are wondering what I'm doing here. I'm in a community called Ashakuchi, and we came here a few months ago to help the community with a well that we dug for them, because where they usually go to fetch water, it's a bit far. So I'm going to take you along so you can see the well with me. So please come on.
My name is Yusuf Atwa. Kuma abinda kopa kunzo kun imam kuma mun yi godiya sosai. Allah ya karama ku girman kuma ku Allah ya karama ku kuma karfin ku je ku yi ma wansu kamar yanda kuka yi mamu. Na gode sosai.
The copper came here that they want to do the work and turn the well for us here in the Shakuchi community. I was very happy because the water is a life. Without the water, we will not live a sufficient life. We can't be able to afford you people with any trouble, but it's all in Almighty Father in heaven will reward you people for this thing that you do for Ashakuchi village.
They fetch water from far place.
But now they don't help us, don't do water for us, don't they easy for us now to the fetch. They use and wash, cook, to everything bath. I'm happy that they bring this water. I'm no longer fetching water from stream. Thank you. I will be like them.
We thank God for this well that they come do for us. Oh, before, na river we dey go fetch water. We very happy that we get water for our own. So we don't have any wahala for water again.
We're looking for an interior community where we can do what our CDS is all about, which is charity and gender, give back to the community. So we spoke to a few people and then they directed us to this community who were in need of water because they only had a river from which they get water from, which is not really hygienic. So we decided that in our own little way to give back to them, we had to build this little well here for them so they can easily access water around them.
I was actually very happy when I saw this. The water was so clean and it was convenient for them. It's actually very convenient for them and comfortable for them. You can get water at their convenience.
During the commissioning, when we came around, the people felt so happy that at least we have shift the body and the stress of them going to the stream to fetch water and also bringing the water back to them in the community here.
It was a thing of joy. Doing something like this, I say, the way of giving back to the society, and also you can see the day of commissioning it, the community here, they were very excited and they were very happy. This is the only way we can extend our hand of charity to other people, just as the name implies, charity and gender.
I was once the president of Charity and Gender CDS. I was the one who led them to this very community when I was still serving to be able to carry out this project. We discovered that the community is lacking water, which is one of their major problems. And we decided to see how we can provide good water for them because they were going to the stream to get water and this water is not hygienic. We decided to embark on a well project. And I feel very happy that we're able to complete the project and today they are glad and they are using this water for so many things, washing, cooking, and so on. So I think I feel very happy that even now, at least, the community is also happy. I want to sincerely appreciate you for your efforts as my former CDS supervisor. I'm very grateful for the impact, and today the impact is manifesting outside the society. Thank you very much. Charity and gender.
Help to the needy.
Charity and gender.
Help to the needy.
Charity and gender.
Help to the needy. Nigeria's us, Nigeria we serve.
That was amazing. The Charity and Gender CDS group has done a commendable job, one that has for sure promoted the whole idea of community development service. And I hope you have been inspired to serve and render help to those in need. And that concludes today's episode of NYSC Half Hour. We will be back with more inspiring and captivating stories for you. In the meantime, we would love to hear from you. So please share your feedback and comments with us via our social media handles displayed on your screen. And as always, we will gladly write back. And don't forget, you can always catch us on NYSC TV, on free-to-air satellite, and on NYSC Radio 88.3 FM. I have been your anchor, Israela and Jassy. Till I come your way next time, be safe and be patriotic. Peace.